Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Create to Inspire. As Diwali is around the corner, first thing that comes to our mind is lights. So in this video, I am going to show how you can light up your home with this easy and simple DIY water candles. So let's get started. Materials required for this DIY are any glass container or designer glass like this, or any glass cup, or any glass bowl like this of any size, water, any cooking oil or lamp oil, any plastic sheet like this, scissors and cotton. Now let's make a wick for the candle. You can make cotton wicks in two ways. Take a piece of cotton, spread it like this, and place it on your palm and roll it in one direction. And it's done. Now take any plastic sheet and cut a circle. You can take any thin plastic sheet which helps the cotton wick to float. Now make a small hole to the center of the circle. Now insert the cotton wick to the hole. Once it is done, cut the excess wick. This is one way of making a cotton wick for water candles. Take a piece of cotton and spread it like this. Now bend it inwards and roll it in the center. And it's done. Now insert the wick to the plastic sheet and the second type of cotton wick for water candles is ready. You can also get these wicks from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Check them if you are interested. Make the wicks according to the number of candles that you are going to make. For the first candle, I am taking this glass container. I am going to add these stones to it. Now fill it with water and pour oil on the top. Make sure you add enough oil until it forms a thick layer on the top. Now place the candle wick which we made on the top and dab the wick using little oil. Now light the candle. A very simple and beautiful water candle is ready. Now for the second candle, I am taking this glass cup. I am adding few seashells to it. Now fill it with water and pour oil on the top. Now place the wick as usual and light the candle. Now the beautiful seashell candle is ready. For the third candle, I am taking a glass bowl, fill it with water and use any perfume of your choice to get the fragrance from the candle. To make it colorful, I am mixing camel blue paint to the water. Now I am adding some glitter to it. Now pour oil on the top. Place the wick and dab it with little oil. Now light the candle. A colorful and a scented candle is ready. For the fourth candle, I am taking this glass cup. I am adding few beads and lace. Now add water and pour oil on the top. Now place the wick as usual and light the candle. Now the beautiful candle with beads is ready. You can add anything into the glass containers like flowers, rose petals, colorful stones, artificial grass, etc. So do let me know in the comment section below how are you planning to make this DIY, and share your creations with me on Instagram if you try any of these. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for getting notified about my new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.